Hello and welcome to my Easy Cooking Kitchen, or ECK for short. This is quite an easy recipe you can make at home. It's a great side dish that goes practically with everything. Hope you enjoy it, and let's go. This is all you'll need to make pickled chili peppers. Traditionally, this is made with fennel seeds, and if you're using black salt, you can do 2 tablespoons instead of 1. Start by cutting the peppers halfway through, like so. Then, depending on the size, cut them into thirds or quarters for bite-sized pieces. It should look something like this. Now simply add all the spices and the mustard oil, close the lid and thoroughly shake it. When you're done, place it in the fridge overnight to let it marinate. And that's it, it's ready for you to enjoy. I know you're used to me eating a bit on camera, but not this time. It's too hot to eat it like that. Let me know in the comments below if you made this with fennel seeds or as I did. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up, subscribe, don't forget that bell for notifications, and share it with your friends. You can follow this channel on Instagram, but most importantly, bon appetit!